Ancestral wisdom is the result of centuries, sometimes millennia, of observation, experimentation, and refinement in some of the most complex environments on Earth. Traditional knowledge is not unproven because they were never published in a Western journal. They have been peer reviewed, in a sense, by experience, by survival itself. So when ancestral knowledge is dismissed as primitive or purely anecdotal, it continues a colonial narrative that devalues the intellect of entire peoples based on their culture, history, and worldview.